Are you on a GLP-1 but not losing the weight you expected? You're not alone. Whether you're just starting, midway through your journey, or close to goal weight, there are key reasons why your results might have stalled, and I'm going to break down the top 10 most common ones I see at Regenics every day. Some of these will surprise you, and I'll give you tips and tricks to help you fix them starting today. I'm Philip Marks, head nurse practitioner here at Regenics, and we help people optimize their health, balance their hormones, and finally get lasting results, not quick fixes. If you're on a GLP-1 medication like Mounjaro, Zepbound, or Ozempic, and you're not seeing progress, this video will help you understand why and what to do next. Let's get right into it. Number 1, you're being impatient. Everyone's body responds differently to GLP-1s. Some lose weight right away. Others don't start seeing results until mid or higher doses. What matters most? Staying consistent. You're retraining your metabolism, not racing against the clock. Number 2, your nutrition isn't dialed in. GLP-1s help suppress appetite, but they can't fix a poor diet. At Regenics, we teach a high-protein, high-fiber approach that helps keep blood sugar stable and muscle mass protected. If you're still relying on fast food, skipping meals, or eating mostly carbs, that's likely what's holding you back. Pro tip: focus on at least 100 grams of protein daily and plan meals around real, whole foods. Nutrition can make or break your GLP-1 results. That's why we created a free downloadable guide, 10 foods to supercharge your GLP-1 results. You can grab it right now from the link in the description. Number 3, you're not switching up your workouts. If you're doing the same walk, same class, or same weights every week, your body adapts. Progressive overload and variety are key. At Regenics, we recommend alternating strength, cardio, and recovery days to keep your metabolism active. Number 4, alcohol and cannabis. They're slowing your progress. One drink can slow your metabolism for up to 72 hours. That's 3 days of slower fat burning. And if you're using cannabis, you may be unintentionally overeating or sabotaging appetite control. You don't have to quit entirely, but if you're serious about results, track your intake honestly. Number 5, you may need a dosage adjustment. Plateaued for several weeks even after optimizing diet and exercise, it may be time to titrate up, but do it safely. Work closely with your provider, review your blood work, and let data guide the decision. Number 6, salt and carbs. This is where a lot of people panic. You didn't gain fat overnight, it's water retention. When you eat a salty or high-carb meal, your body temporarily holds more water. It's normal. Give it 48 hours and stay consistent. Number 7, you've hit a plateau. It's not a failure, it's physiology. Your body's adjusting to a new set point. Instead of panicking, focus on maintenance calories for a few weeks. Let your metabolism reset. Then, return to a deficit with renewed energy. Number 8, stress. When stress hormones rise, fat loss slows. Cortisol can block your progress, even if you're doing everything right. This is why we always focus on sleep, hydration, and recovery at Regenics. Your body can't heal or burn fat when it's in survival mode. Number 9, other health conditions. Thyroid issues, PCOS, low testosterone, or perimenopause. All can affect fat loss. That's why personalized blood work matters. We test your hormones, micronutrients, and metabolism markers to build a plan around you. Number 10, you might be on the wrong GLP-1. Not all medications work the same for everyone. Some respond better to Mounjaro or Zepbound, others to Ozempic or Wegovy. If you've truly optimized everything else, it might be time to talk to your provider about switching your meds. Consider switching to a GLP-1 program with Regenics, where you'll work directly with me or one of our other providers. So these are the top 10 reasons why you may not be losing weight on your GLP-1 medication. Remember, this isn't about perfection, it's about optimization. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our next video, GLP-1 Benefits Beyond Weight Loss, 12 Health Wins You Need to Know About. Don't forget to also grab your free GLP-1 food guide below to supercharge your weight loss results. I'm Philip Marks with Regenics, helping you look, feel, and perform at your best at every age.